how to use word effects on Facebook Messenger. So what you can do is you can just open in here a chat and then you can set in here word effect. Like for example, let's put in here happy birthday and then click on this icon, which is kind of a search icon. Click on that and you can see in here this effect. So for this case right here, since I'm actually saying happy birthday, I'll head over and put in here a GIF. So I'll choose this GIF effect right here, and as you can see, it will be sent as the GIF. And when I click on it, it will actually reveal the actual message. Another option that you can do is you can head over and then choose any effect that you want. I'll head over and type in here this and click in here again on the search icon, and I'll head over and choose in here a fire icon. As you can see, we have in here the reels and effect, and you can also just explore other reels just like this one, as well as other effects that you can see as well. So in total, we have in here 4 effects that you can choose. So that's how you use word effects on Facebook Messenger. Hope we helped.